Am I going back in? Is that going back in?
Nope.
Why? I'm tying it. I'm tying.
Put your head forward, Judy.
Oh my goodness. Oh no. I have to cut that from it. I'm not feel like that way. Just leave it in. Just leave it in like that.
Stop pulling on it.
X Wizard Beater. I click for puzzle hair. They're going back in. I make snow angels in the snow. It'll get all messy. So, Mommy, I asked you a question.
Yes, you may ask me a question.
I'll stay in. I won't stay in or not.
It's out now. We just have the last knot.
Oh, what? Hold on. Just keep it in.
Too late for that.
What?
Put your head forward.
I can't. My head hurts.
Okay, I'm gonna cut now, so hold still so I don't cut your hair.
That's so colorful. Collaboration. It's not ever going back in. Ever? You're throwing it in the trash?
Correct.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
No more hair wrap.
No more hair wrap. It's all going
How's it feel? Does it feel weird to not have it in there? Yeah, it's not there anymore, huh? You're used to pulling on it.
And eating it.
And eating it. Look at the camera, say no more hair wrap.
No hair wrap.
Maybe next year.